Hi guys, welcome to another shuffle combo tutorial with me. I'm Paulina, and if you want to learn the combo you've just seen, then follow me. Let's do it. Okay, first things first. Lift your right leg up and bend the knee. And then bring your left leg up, keep it straight, and remember to pivot your body slightly to the left when doing this. Alright, now bend the left knee, shifting the body to the left, and bring your right leg up. Alright, come on. Nice. Now facing forward finally, because that was the hardest part, to be honest, with shifting the body. Now we will do my favorite crisscross. Do you know crisscross? I love this move. Do a crisscross with your right in the back. Now we will do a V-step. Firstly to the right and then to the left. Right. Okay, and left. Come on. Beautiful. Awesome. All right. Okay, we can just exercise some V-steps here. Right, left, great. And now we're gonna do 2 V-steps to the right, but with heels up and toes down. All right? I think it looks so cool when you do a V-step like that. So you just open and close like with a normal V-step, but remember to keep your heels up and toes down. And open and close like normally, and open and close. Going back again, 1 V-step to the right and to the left, and 1 and 2. Okay, moving on to the last move. Just do a long step with your right and put your whole weight on this foot, okay? Whole weight. And then slide your left to the left. If you really put your whole weight on the right foot, it's super easy to glide to the left and to the right many times. Left, right, great. Last one, lift your right leg up to the starting point and do the whole combo once again. Okay, shall we try facing the back? Let's go. 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3, crisscross, and right and left and right and right, and step, slide. Up and all over again. Great! Hope you guys like it and had some fun. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye!